Initial response to manual, hand steering. 2. Turn on second, emergency, steering motor. 3. Inform the master. 4. Inform the engine room. The engine room. If second steering motor not effective, then change over to NFU. If NFU not effective. 1. Take all way off the ship. 2. Display NUC shapes or lights. 3. Establish communications between bridge and steering flat. 4. Bypass, shut off appropriate valves. Systems engage emergency steering. 5. Operate emergency steering direct from steering gear flat. 6. If in traffic area, broadcast pan or security message on VHF to alert other vessels. 7. Vessel can also be steered by engines, if twin screw propulsion, or bow thruster, if proceeding at slow speed, generally under 4 knots. 8. Plot position of vessel. 9. Estimate drift. Make necessary allowance. Maintain track if safe. 10. If appropriate, call out anchor party and prepare for anchoring. Note, if NFU is being used, it may be necessary to reduce speed to make allowance for helm response time and maneuvering characteristics.